Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy new heroes or legends on the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device, and after you have been taken to the main menu, in order to purchase new heroes or legends, simply click on the Meet the Legends option at the left side. This will now show you various different heroes that are available. You can navigate through all of the heroes and check their stats as well as various weapons, as well as skins. When you find a hero that you wish to unlock, simply click on the Unlock Legend or the V button on your keyboard. Now you will have the option to spend your in-game currency to purchase this hero. Just tap on the purchase button, and now you can buy either using these gold coins or the blue coins. Click on whichever option you wish to use, and the hero will be purchased and added to your inventory right away. You can purchase all of the heroes by progressing through the game and earning more currency. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase new heroes or legends on the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.